today we are on DJI Pocket 3 on the right side and DJI Pocket 2 on the left side. And I got both of these on a mount and some grip. I don't have the bar mount for these, so two of these are actually difficult to mount together. Anyways, we are around DCC Data City Center right now, and it's dark because these cameras are famous for this kind of scenarios. Let's say you are out and about after dark, then you will use these cameras. Now both of cameras are from DJI. Both of cameras are still very good. It's been how many years? Many years. DJI Pocket 3 is 100% right now, and the DJI Pocket 2 is on 90% right now. No external microphone, internal microphone, everything is standard. The color, the EV, the sound, whatever you like, you get it out of the box and then you use it. This is how it is. I'm walking right now. I'll go all the way there. Day to day behind that, there is Dampa, the seafood restaurant. And the thing with the Pocket 3 is the exposure settings for this. However, they fixed it. I don't know how they fixed it, but they fixed it and it's very good. Pocket 2 is not that good. Right now there's a lot of light because I'm in the middle of the city. You'll see lights everywhere. That means both are doing good. As you walk into a valley, or let's say less light, you'll see the difference between 2 and 3. The best part is at night is no electronic stabilization, though the light is not messing up your what do you call stabilization. You are good if you run, if you walk, if you just keep it somewhere, or whatever you want to do with it. The profiles on both are like standard ones right now. Eyes open, let's walk. So I see more reds in the DJI Pocket 2, but I see less of a problem in the Pocket 3. Now I see here also. You can see actually better in Pocket 3. Thank you. We are gonna go this way. Yeah. And one more thing, I don't use these cameras as you can say. There is an option to press 3 times, the camera will switch the other way, but I don't use it like that. I use it like an action camera like this. If I want to show something, I'll flip it on that way towards the thing that I want to show, then I flip it back to me, and that's way better than doing 3 tabs, because I miss it a lot. Most of the time I miss it. So you can just use it like this, then you can switch back like this, and it's the same thing. Also the stabilization will be good because both has gimbals built in. So there are 3-axis gimbals. You don't have to be more careful. Also one more thing, the light is low right now and it will go max 1600. It's not gonna go above. You can go above, then again there will be a lot of noise. Okay, so I did the setting where the screen for the Pocket 3 will turn off after 2 minutes if you keep on recording, but it stays on DJI Pocket 2. So if you have to keep it like this, I don't know, mine is actually like this, but you mostly keep it here to your face level so it shows what's behind you. It's windy, there will be wind noise in it. This is some Filipino mango ice cream, mango candy.
I thought you don't share food.
No. You know?
What does it taste? Does it ice candy?
Oh, it has a mango.
Include me, include me.
Include you in the.
Hi, what is the name of your blog?
This guy is a pro player of badminton.
Of course.
We
indeed.
won 3 championships in Dubai.
Yeah, a lot. Like
3?
more than 3.
More than 3. His name is he's very famous around there, right?
Yeah,
That's
if you
where
ask
you're.
who's Raiden, it's like, oh yeah, he's the champion of the badminton last time. He's such a good player.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And he's level C.
Level C?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's like the coach level.
Ah,
Because
coach level
C
is.
stands for coach.
What's A level?
E level is
A.
E. It's A ball.
A, B, A.
Yeah. A. Ah, okay.
A.
A stands for
Apple.
no, apple pie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Apple
But
pie.
A is the beginner one?
No,
Beginner
A is the highest level of badminton. Yeah.
Higher.
It's like A, B, C,
Mm-hmm.
D, and E. E is the lowest.
Okay. So this is still the standard profile, standard colors and everything. And just the external microphone that I'm using with it. This the wireless one comes with a DJI Mic 2. And if you are on bicycle, this is how the stabilization is. And if I move it towards me, 20 millimeters is enough, I think. You have to extend your hand all the way, but if you keep it like this, like the easy ones, you see my head's cut. If you keep it in front of your face, also it has a 2.0 aperture, so it's kind of better than the Pocket 2. My rig is like very big. I cannot fix it in my bag. I have a small bag, and I'm also carrying the A7 IV, so it's kind of hard. Also, I'm using the microphone, the DJI microphone that comes with it, and it has a wire. You can see here there's a small. By the way, this lav mic is from the Rode. I have Rode Pro, so it comes with microphones, the wired ones. So I have attached that to the DJI Mic 2. Here's the thing. I'm at the coffee shop and I'm sitting here outside, and I'm attached to this microphone on the Pocket 3. This comes with the Pocket 2. This comes with the Pocket 2 here. This also has like Pocket 3 has a product showcase option as well, and there's a windshield and this thing here. This is for Pocket 2. Let me attach I think I have a lav mic as well. This is Purple Panda. I got it like few years ago from Amazon. I was checking reviews for lav mics and I found this one. Let's connect this also. I think when I turn this on, it will connect automatically. Let me see. Yeah, it's connected. It says 100% battery. And let me get this thing sorted out. So many wires. This is what I don't like. I like shotgun microphones that goes straight into the camera, but unfortunately the build of this camera is like so like messy. Let me show you how it looks like. Also, I'm carrying the A7 IV today. I'm just taking some pictures. I was walking here all the way, so I took some pictures. Here you can take very nice pictures. It's a very nice area, but the problem here is they don't allow. Let's fix this. So this one's connected to the Pocket 2 and it has a lav mic. That's Purple Panda. I see the Pocket 2 is way low light, like it looks very dark, but this has a clip also, so without any windshield or something, this is Purple Panda connected to the microphone, external microphone, wireless microphone of DJI Pocket 2. That's the sound. And then I have the Rode wireless mic with DJI Mic 2. So DJI Mic 2 is way better than this original one because this thing has 32-bit float recording. Now it's red. It's still recording 32-bit float. I can pick this up from the microphone internal memory, drag it to my computer, and then just fix it in the post. Also, if I'm rubbing it too much, that means there will be messy audio. Anyways, you can connect it directly to DJI Pocket 2 as well. If you don't want to connect it here to this transmitter, what you can do is there is a 3.5mm jack on the side of DJI Pocket 2. Unfortunately, you don't have the same thing on the DJI Pocket 3, so you can get this out, connect straight to the Pocket 2, and that's you can use it. Handheld, it has a long wire. You see, it's like I don't know how many meters, but it's a long wire. Also, you get an attachment extension. It's like 10 meters. So you can use this panda, purple panda, for from very far if you have a long area where you are doing the podcast or something. But you can connect it direct to this one, but you cannot connect to the DJI Pocket 3. Also, DJI Pocket 3 only has the USB C port. So that means this USB C port microphones gonna work very easy on this, but not this one. This wide angle lens will bring your. We are jumping very fast because I wanna do it very fast. Then I will enjoy my coffee and sit here. Let's turn this into 15 mm. Let me put both of my microphones here. So this one is for DJI Action or DJI Pocket 2. If you put this on, it's gonna go wide for 15 millimeter. Then you have the same here. This gonna go also 15 millimeter. Right, before we are on 20 millimeter. 20 is enough wide for your videos, for many videos. But when you put this on, there you go. It's more wide now. Let's see the back side, the corners. Let me get this. Yeah, this until the sofa. Now the full sofa is in. That means it's 15 millimeter right now. 15 is way better than 20. You get a lot of field of view, big field of view. Okay, so are we connected? Yeah, we connected. Okay, so here's the problem with the Pocket 3 and Pocket 2 as well. When you are walking normal and you're holding this, you see the bob. This is because of the gimbal. So the gimbal is made to do that, to keep the horizon level. So the more movement, the more bob you get in that. The only way to do is the ninja walk. They call it ninja walk on YouTube, like you are very steady, low pace, your steps are very stable. That's the only way. Okay, this is the portrait way you can do this. It's like mobile kind of thing, but it's also good at night. It looks good. It's wide enough. You can add the wide angle lens on it as well, and then it's 3K 30 frames per second. We can take the DIFC metro, this stop also, but the thing is I have the bike, so we can just bike through this area. So this is the Marina Mall. Let me flip it up. So with the joystick you can bring this up, back, right, left, everywhere, and it's easy also. Now on YouTube, these big YouTubers has a good thing about this face tracking thing. I see the Pocket 3 tracking me and it's actually good, but the Pocket 2 is gonna lose me very fast if I move very fast. Let's see. By the way, I'm done with these people here. Sorry, it's not like the done thing, but the guy over there is a model also. That's a shocking thing. He's a model and a barber. Let's put it on active track, and yeah, this Pocket 2 is already done. So fix it, double tap on the screen, auto tracking on. Kind of slow, but this is how it is. Also, you can move the auto tracking to the sides. Let's put it on the other side, on the corner. Yeah, now wherever I move, it will stay on the side. On this one, it's not doing much because this is some old technology, old software, and this is the new one. And I think because of the, what do you call, the sensor, yeah, this is better. Anyways, cut this down. This also, it's not much of a difference. If you like the better quality of image and also more options, then you go with the Pocket 3. Otherwise 2, you can do the walking and talking videos easily. I'm in Barsha right now. I'm gonna go back, take a shower and rest, and whatever the thing is. We'll see you guys next time, and this is it.